Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show, if you are working at front end and you want to if you want to know from which template this HTML or the piece of code is coming, where you can do some HTML changes. But if you go and right now if you inspect it, you won't be able to see anything here. So how you can do it in your project, so that you can identify from which template this particular HTML is coming. So earlier in Drupal 9 we had to go into our services.yml file, and in that file you need to enable twig debugging. But Drupal 10 has given us a new feature that you can go and enable at admin interface. So you can see here right now, if you see, we don't have any HTML template suggestions here. If I go here in my admin panel, right now you can see even caching is enabled. But if we go into here, it's a another new page. You can see setting page in Drupal 10. So you can go into your development, and under development you can see development settings. So in development setting you can go and simply check this checkbox. So it will give you two options: twig debug mode and disable twig cache. What it will do, it will, the first option will give you one dump variable in your twig template, where you can simply put this dump function, and it will give you all the available variables in that twig template. Another option you can see here, disable twig cache. That means if you are working in a twig file, and if you are really working in a theming, so you don't want to go and every time clear your cache. So what this option will do, it will disable the cache for your twig template in development environment. There you can actually keep working on your HTML part, and it will not cache anything at front end. So this is really not recommended in your production side. But if you are working in your local environment or in development environment, there you can enable this option. Another option also you can see, do not cache markup. So that is another option here, that you can also enable it for the dynamic pages. So if you know, Drupal already cache pages for even authenticated user based on the cache context, or any cache tag that you can set there. So based on that, it also cache the content at front end. So we will see this option later, but first we can check these two options. If you save here, what you will get there. So I'm saving this option here, and if I go and now refresh here, so right now you can see nothing is happening, because after saving we haven't cleared the cache. So here we can simply clear the cache. So cache is cleared now, and if I refresh the page, you can see now this is printing the twig template information here. And I'm going to debug this image field, so you can see from where it is coming. So right now it is coming from themes contrib mahi template field image.html.twig. So this is the way you can start debugging your twig template. So for example, I'm going to do some changes in my node.html.twig file. So first of all, I will show you how you can actually know what variables are there, so that you can print them in your HTML. So suppose I want to know about what variables are available inside my node.html.twig file. So I simply do here dump, that's it, save it, and refresh this page. So if you refresh the page, nothing happens. So what we will do, we will disable the cache for do not cache markup. We will enable this option, save it again, and if we go here, you can see right now it is not caching any response from the server. It is directly bringing the data from server. so it is not coming from the cache. That's why you can see what options are available to you, so that you can print them in your html.twig file. You can see here all the available variables are here. You can see theme hook, original or attribute, what attributes are available. You can also see this user object, view mode, which view mode is right now it is selected full, and this is complete node object. If you want to see more options here, so you can go and navigate it. However, this is not a recommended way that you should debug your template like this. You can use X debugger for doing this kind of debugging. But yeah, if you don't have that setup, this will also help you a lot. So next, I will do some changes here to just show you it is not caching right now my any HTML. Don't need here to clear cache every time I made any changes here. So right now, if you go here and see, uh, you can see there is no space between this icon and by. So what I will do here in the template itself, I will go and give one single space here, and if I refresh the page, so you can see there is one extra space between icon and by. So this way you can debug fast and work in your local environment without clearing cache every time you make changes to your template file. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe.